everyone? Got a 2018 Mercedes GLE350. I'm going to show you how to get into the service menu to reset the service reminders, okay? Before we even start, you need to make sure that you have the cluster set on miles or the trip, okay? Go ahead and set that up. Now I have this car off, and what we're going to do is we're going to put it in the first run position. What that means is I'm just going to hit the engine start stop button one time right here and get the cluster to power up. Then we're going to press and hold down phone and okay, starting with phone and okay. You have to do it pretty quickly after you power everything up. If you have the key, you're going to stick the key in, turn it to the first position, okay? Now, if you go ahead and hit this button and everything lights up on the dash, that's not what I want it to be in. I'll show you real quick. I want it to be in this mode here where it just sweeps the gauge cluster and not all the lights pop up. Like if we hit it again, all these pop up. That's not what I want. I'm gonna turn it off. What we want is position 1, which is this one, okay? Now I'm gonna go phone, hold it down and press okay. And hold it down. All right, so after you hold it down, this is the menu you're gonna get, okay? This right here. Now we're gonna go to Assist Plus. Okay, you're just gonna use the arrows you have on the steering wheel and hit okay. And we're gonna go down to full service. All right. Confirm full service. Yes. Confirm. And we are all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful. And if it was, appreciate it. Hit that like button for me.